If we look at the maturity, let's start there. Where are we in 2025 in sort of the Gartner Hype Cycle? You notice that the 2025 model looks relatively close to 2024, which looks relatively close to 2023. Sure, there's been lots of evolution, lots of news, lots of change within the AI market, but sometimes that change creates turmoil, right? Sometimes that change creates confusion. Sometimes that change just in the names of the tools themselves create a churn or a change management issue in my ability to deliver sort of AI value and AI use cases. And as you know, governance tends to be a follow-through type of activity, but in AI, it really needs to be one of those leading indicators. So we've got to think about how to look at this differently. But it's not just the maturity of the technologies and tools themselves. Sometimes it's the prerequisites. And this problem has been true for years. It was true in 2010 when I tried to do things like analytics. And my data was messy and siloed and all over the place. And when I tried to do machine learning, my data was still messy and still siloed and still all over the place. And now when I'm trying to do AI, it's even worse. The bigger ball of yarn, there are more strings. My data is still messy and siloed and all over the place. So how do I make this business data ready?
Paul, that's right. In fact, we are seeing that 70% of leaders cite data quality and governance as their #1 technical hurdle. And we found that AI is only as good as the proprietary data it can access. We often hear that phrase, garbage in and garbage out, and nothing is more true now in the age of generative AI. In fact, most leaders, around 85% of them, admit that they must upgrade their existing IT infrastructure before AI can truly even be plug and play, and that they need that for success and to accelerate with a strong data foundation.